Okay, today we're going to show you how to install an antenna on your Onn TV. First, we're going to show you how to install the antenna. And if you stay with me all the way to the end of the video here, we're going to show you one of the most important things you need to do, which is actually program the antenna so that it works with your TV and you don't end up returning the antenna and saying it doesn't work. Really, in most cases, that's all you'll need is a small, inexpensive TV antenna that you just mount right inside your house. We've previously reviewed one that works really well. We will put a link down in our description box to this exact model if you'd like to try it. To install it, you just plug it into the antenna jack on your TV. And the antenna also comes with an AC adapter. You just plug that into any wall outlet. Now, this is the important part. Press the home button on your remote, select the antenna icon, and then select Start Finding Channels. Now, once you hit the Start Scanning, this can take about 10 minutes, so that's normal. Don't think the TV is locked up or anything. In our area, it found an incredible 50 channels, which gives you quite enough channels to watch. And as you flip through the channels, once you've installed this, you'll see the channels are all high def, and there are a lot more channels than you ever expected.